Good morning, friends. Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Atelier channel, where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. I wanted to ask, what are you doing to fill up your inspiration cup? Today, for instance, I know I'm going to be writing a romance story, so I'm starting my day off by watching a romantic, cute anime while I sip on my coffee. That's one of the ways I'm filling up my cup. A lot of times we feel like writing has to be us chained to our keyboards, getting our word counts in, and not doing much else. Putting together ideas, outlining, and shaping the worlds in our head is also a part of the job. So don't forget to daydream, work hard, work on your stories, fill up your cup of inspiration, and I will see you guys next week. Subscribe to Writer's Atelier for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links below, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone!